Here's a little tech tip for mounting your alternator. So on my Subaru, it mounts here onto this bracket and then also fastens here. Now you can see that they have this little bushing sort of thing here, and what that does is just kind of helps to keep it aligned. When you mount them in place and fasten them down, it tends to pull it inwards to give it the alignment it needs, which as a result makes it very difficult to get back onto the bracket here. So what you can do is this. Take a bit of a flat punch, and just with a hammer, just go around and tap it back a little bit. And you should be able to slide it right in.